Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about how I maintain 100% battery capacity on my iPhones, or as best as you can at least. So now I obviously have the 12 Pro Max right now, so my battery capacity is still going to be 100%, and it will probably stay like this way for a very long time as the newer batteries are very, very good. So now one thing I'm going to point out to you guys is you want to go over to your settings first off and just make sure you have your battery optimizing charging on. So as you guys see here at the bottom, I have the optimized battery charging enabled. You want to make sure you guys have that on because it's going to basically learn how you daily charge your phone. So it's going to kind of recognize patterns and just do what it can to save you from having the battery degradation that you could have throughout the course of owning your phones. Now, I'm going to say as well, I used to have the iPhone 10 just before I got this phone personally, and my battery health when I sold it, I believe was around 75%. So as you guys seen, if I charge my phone up to 100%, it's actually only 75. So that was a real big pain. So obviously you want to try to avoid that the best you can. And the number one thing I'm going to continue to do with this phone, as I've tried my best to do with my old phone, is to not let it fully die. That's like one of the main things you guys can do to avoid your battery degrading. Another thing as well is to try to keep it away from high temperatures and low temperatures. So don't leave it in your car in the winter time, or don't leave it in your car in the summertime. If it gets really hot, the hotter your battery gets, the worse it could be for your battery. Obviously, sometimes it's going to get hot, and obviously sometimes your phone's going to die. That is okay. You just want to try to avoid that as much as you possibly can. It is the best you can do for your battery. Another thing to point out about the optimized battery charging in the iPhone is it will fast charge your phone up to 80%, as it says here, and then it will just trickle charge it the rest of the way. So that's already going to help your phone not degrade and charge more efficiently. So anyhow, just to summarize, like I said, just try your best not to let your phone's battery die completely, and just plug it in, let it charge to 100, and then unplug it. That's the best thing you could do for your phone's battery, and obviously just keep it out of extreme weather conditions. That's really all you can do. Anyhow, I hope this video kind of helped you guys out, at least made things more clear for you guys to understand how to save your battery capacity over the course of owning your phones. If this video did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you consider subscribing to the channel on my road to 10,000 subscribers, and gave this video a like. Thanks for watching.